Welcome to the Algo Art AI Euro 2024. This tournament will see 24 of Europe's best AI football teams battle it out to be crowned the champion of Europe. Today's Group B game is between Spain and Albania. Spain is ranked 6th in the FIFA World Ranking. Albania is 62nd. It's a massive gap, but the game should be one-sided. You can almost predict the results and can stop watching now, provided you are happy to miss out on any surprises. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. And we have kickoff, and Spain has already scored. The striker found a hole between the two defenders and slot the ball in between. Spain is 1-0 up. Both teams playing very carefully. The Albanians have the ball now. Oh, the Spanish almost scoring there. Nice defending from the Spanish, and they have found an opening behind the defenders. Spanish strikers got behind the defenders and slotted in the ball in an open goal. Spain is 2-0 up. And they have made it straight from the kickoff, bouncing on the wall once and straight into goal. Spain is 3-0 up. Lots of play in the midfield. Oh, the Spanish almost scored there. An open goal for the Albanians, but the Albanians didn't take advantage of it. And good defending from the Spanish. Oh, the Spanish striker almost scored again there. And Albanians are coming back now. And the striker somehow managed to slip it in. The Spanish defender made a mistake, and the Albanian striker took advantage of it. 3-1 for Spain. The Albanians pulled one back. Spanish trying to push the ball in, and they have found a gap in between the defenders. Somehow the striker found a gap between the two Albanian defenders. Spain is 4-1 up. Tight defending there from the Spanish. Who opened goal, and they almost scored. The Albanians are coming back now, trying to squeeze it in. Now the Spanish striker is trying to squeeze the ball in, and he managed to get it in to the side of the net. Nice ball to the side netting. At this midway point, let me explain how we train the AI models that control the players. For each team, we look at their FIFA World Ranking. The higher the ranking, the more games its model gets to train on. Spain is ranked 8th, and their AI model is trained on 1.75 million games. Albania is being ranked 62nd, and is only trained on 0.85 million games. This is a massive difference, and it is already showing in the scoreline. We're joining back the game at Spain 5, Albania 1. Both teams are playing it very tight, keeping as close to the ball as possible, and Spanish are doing a counter-attack but not getting anything from there. Both teams are playing tight again. Albanians pushing on, not much luck. Oh, and they found their luck. A loose ball, and the Albanian striker pounced on it and smashed it into goal. Both teams are keeping it very tight in this game. Playing extremely carefully there. And somehow the Spanish striker has found a gap in the defense and sneaked the ball through it. And a quick one from Spain, straight from the kickoff onto the side of the goal. Looks like there's the glitch. Spain is 7-2 up. Nobody getting the ball there. Well, except the Spanish striker who took the ball and smashed it into the goal. An open goal. Spain is having a commanding lead here. And the Albanian defender has scored an own goal. How unfortunate. Game point for the Spanish. And game over for Albania. The defender tried to block it, but it was too late. And there we have it. No surprises in the end. Spain 10, Albania 2. Spain was in total control throughout the game. And here we have the table of Group B after 2 matches. Italy and Spain both have 6 points, but Spain is just on top due to goal difference. Croatia and Albania are on 0 points. The big game is up next, Spain versus Italy. So please stay subscribed.